What's up guys, how are you all? Friends, in this video you will know about the one application that's very interesting and important for you. So in this video you will get some information about one application, that is how can we remove the things or persons, anything from the pic. So in this video I would teach about that only. By using only one application we will remove things or any other persons from the pic within seconds from our phone. So in this video we will get some most important tips and tricks from that application. So please don't skip this video, please watch until the end, and you will definitely, I promise you will definitely learn very well about that application. By using that application you will remove the objects, materials or persons or anything from the pic. So why are we late? Let's start our episode today. Hi viewers, my name is Shalem. Welcome to my channel.
Hi friends, if you like the video, please like and please share with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe here and please activate the bell icon to receive my videos from my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back. So friends, I already told about that application. If you see this display, then you will get that application from here. If you see this, you will get the application named as Retouch. If you seeing this, the logo is like this, number 6 and named as Retouch. This is that application I want to introduce for you guys. If you want to learn about, please don't skip this video, watch until the end. If you want to download it, then you will download it from your Google Play Store, or if you're using iOS, then please download from Apple Store. For this, how can you download? So if you want to download it, then please write Retouch. Okay, then you will get some applications here, and the fourth application is that Touch Retouch. So this is that application. If you don't download, please download it from my link that I give here from the description link. So friends, after that you will open that app. I am opening, and if you open like this, and it will display like this. Okay, then the next step is go to the albums. When you click on it, then you automatically go through the gallery that you have in your mobile. Through the pictures you will select what you want to pick to remove the things or any other else. So I want to select one. Wait a second. Yeah, okay, I will choose one thing here. No, nothing. Okay guys, I will definitely tell you by taking one picture from there. For example, okay, that's not a problem. Okay, I choose one pic there. Okay, if you want to remove, actually I want to remove the names from the pic, or okay, I want to remove person from the pic. From there you will definitely know about how it will process it. When you seeing bottom of this, you will get some options there. First one, object removal. Second one, quick repair. Third one, line removal. And fourth one, clone stamp. Clone stamp is not that important than us. Why? Because we will use only two options is there. First one is object removal and second one is quick setup. By using these two options, you will definitely and easily remove the pic. Okay, first of all, I want to go through object removal. First click on it and select the material what you want to remove. So like this. Okay, totally don't paste on sides of that pic. Please provide all the pic what you want to remove. So after there you will click on go option is undertaken. So okay, when you click on the go, then we will remove like this. Okay, if anything is there means something else like this, you will choose that also, and click on the go. By using that, you will remove the pic, material things, anything from the pic here. So if you want to remove the name, then please select the name and click on the go. Okay, the letter is gone. So by using this application, you will remove like this for every pic what you want. So I want to learn about another option, that is quick repair. By using this option, you will automatically remove. That's not a process, is easier than object removal. When you click on it, please select what you want to remove. So please remember one thing, please hold up to end of this paste on the name. Why? Because if you unhold the pick, then automatically removed. For example, if you're seeing like this, you will hold and rub. When you unhold this, okay, automatically removed. There is no option is go there like this. Okay, it's very easy. Within seconds you will remove the things or any other else from the pic. So by using there, you will definitely easily to remove. And how can we save? If you seeing there upside of the video, top last one, the arrow is upstairs. So guys, from this option you will save as copy, means it will create duplicate. Modify original means what I select the pic is changed. That how can I remove like this? Okay, don't modify, please save as copy. Okay, or you will share this pic as Bluetooth, messages, maps, mail, everything what you have in our mobile. So like this, Facebook, Twitter, anything, WhatsApp, everything what you need. So guys, save as copy and go to the main and go to the gallery and please go to through there and you will get like this. So guys, choose. So it's very easy, very easy process that you have in this. So please don't try to skip this video, and it's very important to you guys who wants to remove anything from the pic there. So I want to discuss about this thing. I hope that you will understand about this concept. Please, if you like this video, like the video under video, and please comment me how is it, and please comment any other topics that you have, that you want, everything what you want from my channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. Please support me for more videos. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. We will meet in next video. Bye bye.